Hi everyone, my name is Janet Leah and I'm an artist and an educator with over 30 years teaching experience. And since 2007, I've had my own business, AWEstudio. Now you can get my classes online if you join us on Patreon. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple duck figure without using any outlines. Okay, so if you watched my first video on how to draw a dog, you know that I started with a light blue disc shape or circle, but I didn't outline it because we're learning to shade, so I made a spherical shape from the inside out. And then I formed that spherical shape into an egg shape. And that's what we're doing here. And right off the front of that egg shape, I'm just going to have a sort of bill coming down like that. And then you can just hook the neck a bit. Just let it fold over and down. And here, let's do another disc shape. It's a bigger one, and it's going to form into an egg shape, just like we did the smaller shape here. Here's a bigger shape. And then let's do some shading, because shading is what really makes it come alive. And we know that that bill could be darker. That's probably one of the darkest things on your duck. And it's going to come in and sort of cup the inside of the face a little bit. And right here, there'll be an eye. Cute little eye. And a sweet little head and neck. You can bring some shading right on into both the head, but also the neck and what you would consider to be the wings or the back of the wings. And you could even do a little bit of fluff for the tail, fluff for where the feet are going to be coming out. And then some lines underneath or behind. If you like this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be doing more short tutorials like this. And I hope you'll join us on Patreon too.